Hello Google Sheets geeks and welcome to a walkthrough of the Dating Decoder Google Sheets template. Below this video in the description box you will find a link to the blog in which you can find the link to the template. This is what it looks like. When you reach the blog you want to either read everything or not, or you scroll down to how to use the Dating Decoder Google Sheets template. You want to click this link to make a copy of the template. You'll see this screen prompting you to make a copy, so click the blue button and you'll be taken to your very own Dating Decoder Catch the Red and Green Flags Google Sheets template to prevent you from heartbreak and having too many bad experiences in dating. When you have this spreadsheet in front of you, you're free to rename it to your own name, to personalize it because it's fun and all that. First, before I start telling you how to go about it, it's also written in the blog, by the way, if you prefer a written approach, but I'm going to show you now. This template came to be after I had one too many bad experiences in dating, and I decided for myself I'm never going to go through that again. I want to prevent wasting too much time on the wrong person. And at some point I came across this girl who tracked all the dates she was going on and the people she was talking to in a giant spreadsheet, which is pretty impressive and very helpful, because when you're dating people, you don't want to rely on how you feel with a person only. You need information to decide whether they're actually a good match for you, and that's why I set up this spreadsheet to help me in my decision making, whether I want to keep seeing a person or not. So it might be useful to you as well. Now, this information that is here is tailored to my own personal needs. You can use it as information, as an example of screening questions that you could use. Let's start here. In column A, you want to write down all the questions that you want an answer to, starting with, what are you currently looking for in dating? Because so often in the past, I was too afraid, quote, quote, to ask this question to scare the other person off. But that is a good thing, because if you are not looking for the same thing, you are both wasting your time, and you want to prevent that. So get the answer to this. Is why it's so important to get this answer first before you do anything else. Don't waste your own time. All these questions I wanted to know, and as a reminder to myself, I wrote out why I'm asking this, why I want to know this. You can do the same for yourself, and here you can track whatever the person said. Same counts for the green and the red flags. Again, these are examples. They don't need to be yours. I remember. It's also written in the blog, by the way, a walkthrough of what would be a good approach to setting this template up. Think about previous partners, dates you went on, and things that you really appreciated in the other person. They can be behavioral or things like this, quite important. Just think about past experiences and write down all the things you loved/liked and things you hated and never want to experience again, because it's going to be hard to put up with and you want to take note of those things. That is how you set up this base template. You can just leave it here. And whenever you start talking to a new person or dating a new person, you right click on the tab, click duplicate, and you double click and change the name of the tab so you know who it refers to. Let's call him, I don't know, Jake. There. And also, I think there's plenty of space here for you to drop your questions and some affirmations. I also added a counter at the bottom, and you see that it updates automatically and when you scroll down. At one glance, you'll be able to see if a person is doing well or not so well. You should maybe consider that, okay, there's nothing here, but let's pretend there is, okay? Or, yeah, this will help you decide whether or not to continue seeing a person. I think that's it. I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching. If you have questions, let me know. Bye.